Hello everyone, this is Sujay Datta. We are discussing the concept of weighted averages on mixtures. Okay, so what is weighted average? Okay, so when we did averages, we said that if I have x1, x2, x3, I want to find their average, I'll just add them divided by 3. Simple. But what if I have x1, 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 x2, x2, x3, 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 and I want to find their average? I can just go ahead and add them again, x1 plus x1 like that. You can add everything up, divide it by, you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 terms, you divide by 9. But this basically means that the value x1 repeats thrice, x2 repeats twice, and x3 repeats 4 times. This 3, 2 and 4, we call it the frequency, denoted by f, and this value denoted by x. Okay, so instead of adding x1, 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 I could have said that the mean or the average is simply x1 times 3 plus 2 times x2 plus 4 times x3. Whole thing divided by total number of occurrences is 9, or it is basically 3 plus 2 plus 4. So when we have values which repeat multiple times, they have a frequency, so we can write this as x1 times f1 plus x2 times f2 plus x3 times f3 dot 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 divided by f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus dot dot dot. So let's take a question on this and see how we approach. So it says here that a class of 30 students have average of 40 kgs, another class of 10 students have average of 60 kgs. What is the average of all students taken together? So what do? This is frequency 1, number of students. We are trying to find average weight, so this must be x1. Another class of 10 students, so this is f2, have an average weight of 60 kg, so this is x2. So your average would be x1 times f1, so 40 times 30 plus. Here it would be 10 and 60 you will multiply, so 60 times 10 divided by total number of students. Here is 30 and here it is 10, so 30 plus 10. So this will be 1200 plus 600, 1800 by 40, and we will get 45. If you look at the question just below it, it looks kind of different, but it's actually the same. This is your frequency, this is your value, this is your frequency, and this is your value. Okay? Even though here we are actually mixing and here we are not really mixing students, but then the concept or the idea remains the same. Okay? So here we will also do the same thing. We will still do this and we will still get the same answer as 45. So these two are basically the same concept, just presented in different form. Now one more thing here. If you observe carefully, when we did this, 30 and 10 will have 10 as a common factor, right? So what I can do here is take out the 10 out and write 40 times 3 plus 60 times 1, and here also the 10 will go out common, and I will do 3 plus 1, just cancel that. What I am trying to show here is, if you observe that the frequency values have a common factor, in this case 10, we are going to just reduce that and make this 3 and make this 1 and calculate the average. So we will do 3 times 40 plus 1 times 10, 60 divided by 3 plus 1, and we will get our answer with slightly less calculation. So I hope this was clear. Thanks for watching.